In solving this problem, let's first pick out the important things in the question. It's important that this ratio, the order, says it's males to females, and the ratio that I'm given is 3 to 5. So what I'm going to do is take that 3 to 5, but I'm going to write it as a fraction. And remember, the order said males to females. So that is very important that we put that in the right order. Equals, now the other bit of information that I'm given is this 333 male students. Males is on the top, so I put my 333 there. I don't know how many females there are, so I'm going to leave that with a variable. Now what I'm going to do is what I call the never fail method. What you do is you see where you have the two numbers that are on a diagonal. So see this diagonal, I know both of those numbers. So what I do is I multiply 5 times 333, and then you're going to divide by the other number. So the other number is the 3. So you're going to divide by 3. And then I just punch that in my calculator. And I have 5 times 333 divided by 3. And I get 555 females. So then the total number of students in the school, well, if I have 333 males and 555 females, my total number of students is 888 total students.